Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tamara, and if you're new, welcome to the family, guys. And if you're not yet subscribed, guys, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, okay? So guys, today I'll be doing another hair video, which guys, your girl is wearing braids, of course, and it's summertime, and I know all of y'all wearing braids now are thinking about getting braids, and you're maybe asking yourself, how would I keep the braids clean? How do I wash braids? Should I wash it? Should I leave it? What do I do? But listen, your girl got you, okay? So today I'm going to show you guys how to wash your braids, wash your hair while wearing braids, and keep your hair clean, smelling fresh, okay? And also keep your natural hair protected and healthy underneath these braids. All right, yes. So guys, stay tuned for that. So guys, what you're gonna need your shampoo. Yes, whatever shampoo you want to use, okay? So I just randomly picked this one out of my shampoo collection, and then you're gonna need a spray bottle or a applicator bottle with some water. If you have spray bottle, that would be better, but I'm using this my bottle that I used to apply my oil for my anti treatment instead, because I do not have any spray bottle. So do what you gotta do, okay? All right, so what you need to do, get your bottle with some water, and then you're gonna pour your shampoo into the water. So like, let's see. Let's see that. All right, maybe about that, because you don't want to use too much shampoo either, right? So do that. I'm gonna shake it up. All right, so now that the shampoo is ready, I'm gonna go ahead and pull my ponytail down. All right, so I went on vacation, guys. Okay guys, so if you haven't checked my vacation vlog out, guys, please go ahead and check that vlog out. I went on vacation and I've been in the pool and all of that, so you know, the chlorine and all of that, so I need to wash my hair, and it's actually itchy too and a little flaky, so I need to wash it and make it, like, get it to be fresh, and that will eliminate the itching. So oh my god, this thing is tight. Okay guys, now that we get all that done, oh my god. So yeah, okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is section my hair, okay? So because I don't want to like do what I already done. So I don't know if you guys can see, but my hair is pretty flaky, like right here, itching. I can. I don't know if you guys can see, but I can see it is pretty flaky. Show y'all. Section. Yeah, it's actually pretty flaky, so I just need to get it washed. It's actually itching me. Okay, anyways. I'm gonna put it at the root, guys. Oh, this is runny. It's pretty runny actually, so be careful. That's why it's better if you have a spray bottle. It will be easier, less runny. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna do this actually gently. When you're doing your scalp, gently use like right here and gently rub your scalp, because you don't want to like have you don't want to have, you don't want to do it too hard and then you have a lot of frizz and then you mess up your braids. Okay, so just gently rub it in. So I'm gonna follow these steps until I complete my entire head. Okay, so let's get a towel.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see
guys,
the stuff the world has got in store.
I think it needs a little more shampoo, so you can go ahead and do that if you feel like you need some more shampoo.
The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Okay guys, so I went ahead, I shampoo my entire head. So I know, like, a lot of times we wear braids, we're like, oh, we don't need to wash it, we don't have to wash it, and then the braid be itching and the braid be smelling. Listen, sister, you need to wash it, and this is how you wash it. Okay, easy 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 cheesy. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna like gently massage my scalp. Okay,
the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
what I also like to do, I like to put like some shampoo down the length of the hair, so you just like,
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back.
so guys, make sure you get your edges.
Doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack.
Those edges clean.
The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff.
Okay, so now that you apply the shampoo on your entire head, so let's go ahead and wash the shampoo out. Okay.
The world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up, the world is waiting, half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Okay guys, so I finished washing my hair, so now I'm just gonna let the towel dry out some of the water before I let it down and show you guys what I do next. Okay, so just stay tuned. Okay guys, so I have this towel on my head for maybe 50 minutes now, so I know like it actually like get out some of the water. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna use a towel and dry it some more. So let's pull this down. My hair feels so fresh. Oof. Okay. Towel is wet. It's actually feel like it's already dry, but kind of like it feels like 80% dry. Like that was fast. All right, so now that it's drier than I thought it would be, so I'm gonna show you guys my scalp and my hair. I'm gonna show you guys my scalp. Like fresh. Freshly washed scalp.
Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself
My hair smells so good.
Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking.
Okay, so what I like to do, I like to put in some leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to use my Cream of Nature Organ Oil leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to just spray this all over my hair. Remember guys, not because you're wearing braids, you still have to keep your natural hair healthy. So make sure you do all the necessary steps. Okay? So I'm just doing that so all the leave-in evenly distribute in my hair. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spray my every strong coconut oil and pure shea protective leave-in and ear treatment. This is gonna give my hair a lot of shine.
Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run on.
Guys, you can use whatever leave-in conditioner you have. It doesn't specifically have to be these, but I will definitely put a link down below of the where you can get these products on Amazon to order directly. Okay, so just check the description. My hair smells amazing. Okay guys, so the next thing I like to do, I like to put my hair in a ponytail. Yes. So after I do my ponytail, I like to take the end of this in a towel like this. Fold it like this. Okay. And then I'll wrap the end of my braids in it. So whatever water like this. So whatever water is dripping down, it doesn't drip on the floor, it drips in this. So I'm gonna use a scrunchie to secure it. And trust me guys, this definitely works. So instead of you walking around with your hair dripping and dripping on your clothes, wetting you up, dripping on the floor, wetting up the floor, you just put it in something like this, tuck it away, and let all this, this will actually, all the water will be dripping inside this. So like this. And it's a little bit heavy, but not too heavy. Better than, if you feel like there is strain on your edges, just like pull them a little looser. So guys, thank you so much for watching. This is the end of my washing my braids video. And if this video was helpful guys, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed guys. Comment down below what's popping. If you have any questions or anything at all, just comment down below and let me know, and I will answer all those comments. Okay, thank you so much for watching guys. Bye. Oh guys, one more thing, this is one of the many protective styles that I use for my relax hair in order not to relax my hair too often. Okay, so my hair be growing under here, yes, so I don't have to be relaxing it, I don't have to deal with the two texture. Okay, so I'm good over here with my braids. All right guys, so thank you so much for watching. Bye, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye.